If you're an online shopper looking for quick weight loss fixes, you need to hear this. DropThePounds.com is raising some serious red flags. And your wallet could be next. Let's break it down. DropThePounds.com claims they've bottled a new peptide, retatrutide, to melt away pounds, no needles, no workouts, just drops. Sounds too good to be true? That's because it is. Retatrutide isn't FDA approved, and it's not even available to the public. Next up, the miracle marketing. Wild promises of effortless results. Classic scam move. Then there's the sneaky subscription trap. Many shoppers thought they were making a one-time buy, but got slammed with nearly $6,000 a year in hidden charges. Transparency? Basically zero. Ingredient lists are vague, and the doctor endorsements? Totally fake. AI-generated faces and credentials. The final straw? Tons of complaints about missing orders, denied refunds, and robotic customer service. DropThePounds.com has one of the lowest trust scores online. Bottom line, avoid this site. Protect your money and your health. For real weight loss, talk to an actual doctor, not a sketchy website.